coconut gardening tips. How to cut, drink, plant and make cocoa peat. Today I am showing you how to use a coconut in simple smart ways. First, crack it open by tapping the top with a sharp thing. Pour out the fresh coconut water. Super healthy and perfect to drink anytime. Next, scoop out the soft coconut jelly. It's sweet, smooth and tasty.
Wow!
Now let's talk gardening. Just fill coconut shell with soil and plant a small herb. They are eco-friendly and don't throw away old coconuts. They are perfect for making cocoa peat. Cocoa peat is great for United States home gardens because it holds water and helps root grow. Coconuts just give you food, drink and gardening tools. All in all, use every part and waste nothing.